That was funny right there. Okay. Did that help, Tom?
It does, yeah. And I assume if I'm trying to nudge somebody else to do it, I'd use the same sort of strategies.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It seems like if you give up something and you say, "Oh, screw it," then you've got it because you've left the whole thing.
Well, interestingly enough, I want to pay attention to our time. I have a full hour today, so we can take time. Um, when when I was younger, um, I was very much a move away from consequences. And as a result, I found myself a lot of time. I was also real internally referenced, and I found myself just kind of paralyzed with, oh, I want to do this, but oh, what will happen? Oh, what, and nobody told me I could, kind of thing. So I actually had a friend of mine who was an excellent hypnotist set it up for a week where I was 100% moved towards. So I would have the experience of, living in the world of yes. Have you heard about people that they'll do an experiment? There's actually a movie with Jim Carrey called The Yes Man. If you haven't seen it, take a look at it. It's a scream. But this would be a way to give yourself an opportunity to feel what saying yes to things versus no to things feels like. I hope that answers you guys' question. We are going to do deeper dives in subsequent thing. We'll probably spend 20-ish minutes on each one of these
Hmm.
uh, over a period of time. Okay. The next meta program kind of unless you've trained with Robert Dilts, you probably don't hear about this a whole lot. But options versus procedures. Okay, there are people out there, they are 100% options. Okay, and you're seeing how these begin to stack up. If you're externally referenced and you're move away from, and you're talking to somebody and they're giving you 55 options, how on earth are you going to make a decision? Okay. Conversely, options thinkers, they explore choice and flexibility, they innovate, they adapt, but they can also lose direction. My favorite story, of course, begins with my lovely bride and I say, okay, we're going to a place and she knows where it is. Okay, I'm getting in the car and I'm driving. I go, okay, where are we headed? And she'll tell me the direction to go. And then she begins adding options. Or you could go this way, or you could go that way, or you could go this way, or you could, I'm like, stop, hold on, you know, send me a map about one direct, so when it comes to me learning something new, whether I'm driving or if I'm learning something, a new skill or ability and stuff, I'm very, very procedural and I like it.